Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for joining me. Today I'm sharing this video with you because it is my first time trying out the needle yarn cornrows. They don't look so great, but they are beautiful. Not as perfect, but it's my first try. I'm not gonna be hard on myself, so I'm just gonna show you how I did it. I've got the pattern right, but it definitely still needs to be perfected. So yeah guys, I hope you will enjoy this video and I hope that you will learn something new today and that you will find this easy to do. It gets perfect with time and I'm gonna allow myself that time to learn. I hope you will be brave enough to give this a try like I did. It was so much fun. It took long. Okay, maybe it takes long, but I don't think so. I think it took longer than it should have because I don't know how to do this. But I really enjoyed it. So give it a try and let me know what you think. And show me, perhaps, how it turned out. So thank you so much and don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy!